Very good evening to one and all present here. It's my immense pleasure to welcome you all for today's FDP event. I would like to welcome you all for today's sessions and a special welcome to our chief guest, Dr. R. Murugesan sir, head of the Department of Social Science, National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. He has received many awards and honors. He has secured Achievement Award in the year 2017 and 2019. He has many administrative posts and he received many sponsored research projects. Very few Ministry of Education, Government of India funded project entitled Empowerment of Dalit Women Graduates Through Entrepreneurship for 27 lakhs. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India funded project entitled Innovative Youth Entrepreneurship, the role of science and engineering students for 7 lakhs. He also received a funded project entitled Training of Trainers Towards Capacity Building in Skills and Education for a Sustainable Approach and New Directions for 1.17 crores. He also got funded projects titled An Exploratory Study of Social, Cultural and Economic Possibilities of All Gender Toilets in Select Districts of Tamil Nadu for that 15 lakhs. He has published 48 publications in SCI, ESCI, Web of Science, and Scopus journals. He received many awards and he has been presented many conferences and seminars. He played many session chairs. He was a keynote speaker, and for today's event also, he is the best eminent chief guest. So I wholeheartedly welcome Dr. R. Murugesan sir to carry out the session now. Thank you, sir, for your presence today with us. Please carry on the session, sir.
Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you, Dr. Rumay Magashwari, for your introduction. So, first of all, I am thankful for the organizers for giving me this opportunity to deliver an online session on AI tools for research and data analysis. Normally, if it is offline, we can have more hands-on sessions. Since it is online and it is a 1.5 hour session, we have the limitation of giving more hands-on sessions. Therefore, I have planned my sessions in such a way that it includes more inputs, more informations on AI tools for research and data science. Of course, for research and data science, of course, it is for the analysis for data analysis purpose, but there are many softwares available for doing all these data science works. For research, plenty of AI tools are available. Therefore, in this session, I intend to allot more time for research when compared to data science. Of course, if you have any doubt for raising queries related to data analysis, you are most welcome. And in the case of online session, it is very difficult to make it very interactive one because what you are all doing there now. So with all hope, I start my session. Okay. So you are all able to see this screen. Am I correct? Friends? Friends, are you all able to see this slide? Hello? Am I audible?
Sir, it is audible, sir.
Are you all able to see this slide?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are seeing, sir.
So when only one person is responding to my query, what about others who actually said that we are hearing your voice? It is Dr. Gayatri Devi or Uma Maheshwari. Who said that? Hello?
Sir, myself, sir, Dr. Uma Mageshwari.
Okay, good.
Okay.
What about others, friends? I see nearly 60, more than 60 people are there online.
So participants chats only enabled, sir.
So they cannot ask any questions, sir.
At the end we can unmute, sir. If you are willing to communicate now, I can unmute them, sir.
Yes, it has to be done now because I'll be asking the first session itself, asking so many questions on it. So please unmute.
Yes, sir. I unmuted, sir.
Okay, now participants, you can interact with me so that we can make it this session as if it is given in
Yes, sir.
offline. Yeah, very good. Okay, we are all very much involved. We are all, there is no need to say a phone, smartphone. Is anybody in this participants group not using smartphone? Anyone is there like that? Please, participants, please say yes or no. Anybody is like that? You can, it is unmuted. Please interact with me. Yeah, Sandhya Devamani is trying to say something. What do you say? You don't use smartphone. Hello?
No, sir. I'm using smartphone, sir.
Okay. I asked who is not using? Anybody in this group like that? Only button phone, basic phone, or I don't use the mobile phone at all, sir. Anybody is like that? So nobody is like that. Okay. Say your response is very important. So the first one, we start with the icebreaker. Okay. So icebreaker is related to what? Mobile phone. Have you heard about this game? Anybody in this group? Have you heard about ice breaking session on mobile phone? What is your silence says? Friends, what your silence says? Hello? What your silence says? Somebody mute a direct message, got it? Yes, sir, we are unable to jump to latest. Heard about ice breaking session. Heard about ice breaking section. But have you heard about ice breaking session related to a mobile phone?
So whether you're saying whether we know about the advantages and everything about this mobile phone, sir?
No. Say, yeah, this is what I'm expecting. You should ask, sir, this is related to what? This is basically related to mobile phone. particularly smartphone, we used to lock the or open the Android phone through some ways. For example, fingerprints, some people will use. Some people use Face ID. Some people will go for pattern. Some people will go for alphanumeric 1, 2, 3, 4 or something like that. Likewise, we have some the methods to lock and open. No, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is related to that. Have you heard about that? This ice breaking session? No, no or yes. If it is yes, if majority says yes, we can skip this ice breaking. If majority says no, we can go for this ice breaking. What majority says? At least I want to see a few chats, or you can openly talk to me if you are really
Sir,
on.
can you explain in what way you're saying that ice breaking, sir?
We used to lock the phone, Android phone, or open to open or lock. We have some system, no? For example, number system you will have,
Yes,
or
sir.
some pattern, zigzag, some pattern, or face ID. We will show our face so that it will open, or we will have biometrics, our finger prints. Likewise, we have, or we will not. Somebody will not have any method. Simply, anybody can use it. No locking system. These are all some methods. Just
Yes, that
a
is what
double
we
tap.
know about this ice breaking, na? Because we know what are the advantages, disadvantages about this mobile phone, everything.
So, what do you heard about this ice breaking? Can you explain?
Yes, sir. What I think is whether you're going to say about what are the advantages and disadvantages, what we know about that. In that way, what I think, that is
Okay,
what
you
I
are saying
understood.
about the merits and demerits of each method of locking and unlocking the Android phone. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
This is not that.
Okay.
This is what you know. If you use one type of method, for example, what method you are using for your phone?
Pattern.
Pattern. So when you use pattern, based on the method you have chosen to lock and unlock, okay, we can find out what type of personality you are.
Okay, sir.
Shall we see that game?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, ice breaking. Who are you? So the name of the game is called Who Are You? Okay. It is Who Are You? So how do you unlock your phone? Okay. So Face ID, fingerprint, 6-digit PIN, pattern unlock, swipe only, no lock, alphanumeric. Alphanumeric means some alpha and also numbers. So we have 7 patterns. Other than these 7 patterns, anybody using any other? Because I want to know, I have listed all.
I'm taking avocados.
Yes. What is your silence says? Anybody in this group?
So mentioned everything, it seems.
Yeah. Other than this, anybody have any other pattern? Any other method? No, you are taking too much of time to interact. We have only 1.5 hours. I need to say some tools, something about the tools. Okay. And after this game, I'm going to say one important message about this ice breaking session. Okay. Right. No other pattern is there. Now I'm going to tell you the character. If you use a Face ID.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Voice recognition, sir.
Pardon?
Voice recognition.
Good. Are you using voice recognition?
I'm not using, sir, but we can use now for opening.
But it is very rare. That type of method is not there. If anybody in this group using that type of voice recognition for unlocking your phone, anybody is there?
No, actually, my daughter said that her friend is using. That is why I said.
Okay, in this group, you are using what method, ma'am?
I'm using pattern, sir.
Pattern. Very good. So you are covered in this 7. Okay, you are in the
Okay.
4. Now,
Oh.
yes, somebody is trying to say something. Yes, please. Please. Now I am going to put the results right away. You just go through it and find out whether it matches your personality. It is not actually a game. It is actually a realistic one. Okay, I tell you how it is done at the end of this game. Ice-breaking session. Okay, fingerprint, personality vibe, precise, dependable, detail-oriented, teaching style. However, teaching style will be also there because all the participants I had, they are all belonging to a teaching community. Therefore, I made this one also. So structured, personalized, smooth flowing classes. So catchphrase is what? I got a system and it works. Okay. And what is catchphrase meaning? You have a clear, effective method that you rely on confidently. Okay, who are the people using fingerprint is for assessment related to this personality vibe is correct? Hello? Is it correct or it doesn't have any, it doesn't match with my character, actual character? What do you say? Hello? Nobody is using fingerprint, huh? What is your silence says? Huh? Okay, somebody put show chat. Why, sir? Pattern only is dependable somehow. Dependable somehow. You give an answer. Who is this? SV. Sabari Rajan Venkatesh Kumar. Sabari Rajan Venkatesh Kumar. Why can't you interact orally?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah. You are using fingerprint, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So dependable somehow. That means what?
So precise and detail oriented, that is acceptable. And dependable.
Precise, detail oriented. Okay.
Yeah. Dependable.
Partially it is correct.
Partially, yeah.
So overall, it is it matches your character. Shall we say that 60% correct?
Yeah, you can take it, sir.
Okay. What about other people who are using fingerprint? Is it matching where this assessment matches your actual character? You don't want to reveal anything, sir. How it is done? Sabri Rajan, you are asking, sir, how it is done?
Sir, excuse me, sir. I have a doubt. How
Yeah.
can you define a personality by using this pattern, sir?
Yeah, that I tell you at the end of the first. Tell me whether it has matched your character correctly or not.
If you show pattern, I'll see and I'll say, sir.
Right. So face ID. Whoever uses face ID, does this assessment match your real personality. Somebody just now said that I'm using Face ID. Does it match your actual character, madam? No, it may not be always correct. Now, say just at a glance, yes, it matches. Say yes or no. Do not take much time. Say it is just to say yes or no. Okay, you don't want to say. I am going for next one. Right. Pin code, pin. Somebody will be using pin. Okay. Does it match? Anybody? How many of you using pin? For those people, does it match your character, personality? Yes, somebody says that these kinds of data assessment are done by collecting data from large number of samples. So should be correct most of the time. Very good. Subramanian. Subramani, does it match your assessment? Subramanian, Mr. Subramanian. Yes, no lock. Very good. No lock, I have not opened it. No lock says what? Chill, open-minded, easygoing. Flexible structure, exploratory, student-led. Let's see where this catchphrase is what? You promote curiosity, letting students explore ideas with freedom and flexibility. Good, no lock. Let's go to the next one. So here we have what are the things, voice unlock is there. Voice unlock is there. Voice, charismatic, even though I have not listed in the 8, it is there. Charismatic, energetic, expressive. Somebody said my method has not come. However, has it come, ma'am? Divya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which one was? Which method you are using?
I'm using pattern, sir.
Pattern is already over, no?
Yes, yes.
Then has it matched your personality?
No, sir.
Completely no.
Mm, partially okay, sir.
Partially means 50% okay.
Yeah.
Very good. So for others, I'm anybody is completely disagreeing with. Say one more thing I have added: unlocking habit often change. Okay, somebody for 2 months they'll be having one particular method, Face ID. After 2 months they'll be going for another method. So they'll be changing their pattern, the method of unlocking the locking the phone often. So what type of character they are? Adaptive, curious, spontaneous, hates. Anybody belongs to this particular group? Okay. Your interaction makes me okay. So thing is, you see, catchphrase is what? Why stick to one when you can try them all? So mostly people have at the time of buying and setting all the things, they will create one pattern. Okay, and they will follow that for many times, many years. There will be the most of the people doing it. But unlocking habit is very rare. But they are explorative. They will adaptive, curious. It's a very interesting character there. Okay, anybody? So with this, it's going to be over. Anybody is having any objection with regard to this personality assessment based on the game, based on your pattern? So confidence in putting in simple words, Face ID, confident, modern, people-oriented, fingerprint, practical, dependable, thoughtful, 6-digit PIN, organized, structure, detail focus, pattern unlock, creative, innovative, visual thinker, swipe only, no lock, Alphanumeric, what does it say? What is ABT pattern? What is ABT pattern means? Somebody has sent, sir, is this proven in any research journal? No, it is not. I have not gone through in any research paper. Who is that? Babida. Babida, what do you want to say? What do you want to say here? Only if it is there in the research paper, you will accept her. Now, does this assessment match your personality or not? You can be frank. Does this assessment match with your actual personality or not? Babida, it is generic, sir. Even though it is generic, we cannot be too specific. This generic, does it match with your overall assessment or not? Very good. Yes, sir. So now, do you need any scientific proof for that? Now it is proved. I have made something and I am showing something, and you are saying that yes, it matches with my personality. Okay. If you want to have some proof from scientific journal, practically, I have shown something which is correct. Do you agree with my statement or not? Say, I am showing one pattern and asking whether it matches your it matches your personality or not. You are saying yes. You are saying yes. What other than this, yes, it matches for me perfectly. Yeah. Vanaja says that it matches with me perfectly. Okay. Right. Now, practically, I have shown, okay, it is not a magic. I have not gone through any scientific research journals, and I have not done any study on that. Somebody put it in the chat that, sir, you might have done through large sample size, and based on that, you will be coming out with these kinds of things. Nothing I did. Okay. Then how it has become possible, sir? How it has become possible, and how I am able to assess who you are. Who you are. I use pattern law. I am creative. I am innovative. Okay. Well, some say positive points. People tend to accept. Okay. What do you want to say ultimately? Does it match your personality or not? This assessment match your personality assessment or not? I want yes or no. If it is yes, what is the percentage? See, we cannot 100% judge the people. To some extent only. Okay. To some extent, does it match with your personality or not? This assessment. What is your answer, Subramanian? %75%. It's a great percentage. It's a great number. 75% it matches. How it has become for me? I am not a psychologist. I don't do any counseling. I'm not a psychiatrist also. And I have not gone through any scientific papers. And I have not taken from anything. And how it has become possible, sir? How it has become possible? Can you just imagine? I will come to this later. These are the questions which you asked some time back. I am also asking the same questions. How it has become possible? How it has become possible? So, for most of the participants, the assessment based on your unlocking your phone, okay, matches. Okay. How can I say no when I like the interpretation? What does it mean, Subramanian? How can I say no when I like the interpretation? What do you say? Subramanian, please talk. You can send something in the chat. Subramanian, sir. Subramanian? What do you mean by how can I say? Sir, it is a kind of deep learning, probably learning the pattern of thinking, sir. Therefore, what do you say ultimately? Now, instead of putting chat, you can talk to me, it will be like offline session.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am using pattern, but you have shown many things here, na? So many things matches with it. So how can we say only this pattern matches? Since I'm using pattern, only this is my character. Because in
See,
Face ID we have confident, interactive. I am very confident. I am
not
more
many,
interactive.
but I have put some 3 or 4 characters. Does it match with your original personality or not?
Sir, it matches, but if we see
No,
individually,
no,
na, so many matches.
let us not go into deep. Say you have many characters, you have many attitudes, you may have in addition to this many, but I have listed 3 or 4. Does it
Yes.
match? This is what I am asking.
It matches, sir. That is what my question is. If we see individually now, without seeing the space ID, fingerprint, etc., if we see only this character, so many characters matches with us. How can we say that only since I'm using this pattern lock or 6-digit or whatever it may be? How can I say only this is what my character?
I don't say that this will be the only character of verse. There are many. Within those many, this will be also there.
Okay.
That's all. This is what. Clear. You may have
Okay.
10 to 15.
Yes.
And in addition to this, you may have the other things also.
Okay.
This is the point I want to emphasize here. Okay.
Okay.
But how it is happened, how it has become possible, we will come to this later to find the answer for this. I go to next one. So there are plenty of, you see, I have listed only 25. I have listed only 25. Okay. Just 25 AI tools. Okay. Have you heard about ATAL.ai? Anybody? Now, please say yes or no.
No, sir.
Yeah. Deep code. Deep
Yes,
code.
sir. Yes, yes.
Not deep seek. Deep code. Deep seek you might have heard about. You might have also used it. But deep code. Yes. Deep code.
No, sir.
Very good. Synthesia.
Sir.
Okay. So majority. See, I have listed few top AI tools just for the sake of making you exposed. But don't think that these are the only. See, in these 25 AI tools, many would not have come across, would not have heard about it. Many would have heard about ChatGPT. Okay. Then what is the other one?
Grammarly, Gemini.
Grammarly. Then Gemini, yes. See, one is there, H2O.ai, word tune, Pictory AI.
Copilot.
Huh? Copilot.
GitHub Copilot.
Yeah, just 4 or 5 AI tools you might have heard about it. Okay. But I'm not going to have the how to make use of, but there are many other than this. Okay. Just to tell you, these are some of the AI tools which are popularly used. Okay. But we say that only 4 or 5. Why, sir? Why I should know all those things? Each one has got its own. Okay. And most of the AI tools are having some kind of common things which will be helping us, especially for research purposes. Right. Now, in this participants group, how many of you have to complete a PhD? Anybody? Just don't make me to see the chat because it is not convenient for me to open chat and see it. Yeah. You can talk to me. How many of you yet to complete PhD? Friends? All of you have completed, huh? All of you completed, huh?
No, sir.
Then shall I ask this way? How many completed? So
Sir,
majority.
we do not know about others, but I completed, sir. Many of them are doctorate here.
This is what I want. Many doctorate. Then now you are all have the need of going for publications ever in abundant. Okay, right. Right. So this is another list of AI tools. Okay, category wise. Okay, so literature review and discovery. These are all some beautiful AI tools used for mainly for the purpose of what? Literature review. Okay, I can show one or two examples from this. Data analysis, of course, I have not listed here R and other things. Otter AI. Otter AI is for data analysis. Okay, AI tool for data analysis. It's a free software. It's a very important thing. It's like R and Python. Citation management, Zotero, Mentley, very popularly used. Cross-reference, it is a paid one, but a very beautiful AI tool. Once you get or your institution has subscribed for this cross-reference tool, it will be amazing to get the assistance from this particular AI. Then chatting with a PDF. I'm sorry. Chatting with PDF and AI powered writing assistance. I am going to give some examples for this because I think you will be finding it very useful. Then AI powered search engines. So I am going to start with that search engines, how the AI tool will be helpful in searching purpose. You might have all searched purpose, but how it will be different. I hope it will be different. You might not have heard about it. Okay, I'm going for next. Friends, okay. With the AI, hey, people think that, okay, AI means it has got some disadvantages and also advantages. I'm just giving you some famous quote for that. What is that? With the AI, a researcher finishes the work very fast. I'm sorry. Yeah. With the AI, a researcher finishes the work very fast. That is the very, very important advantage of using AI. We can do the work fast. With the complete AI, if you completely depend upon AI, the researcher is finished fast. That's all. You are nowhere. Okay. There will be absolutely no improvement in yourself. Okay. So it does what? It actually accelerate your research with the assistance of AI. Accelerate your research. And the AI is the microscope, but brain is worse. You have to see through our brain what is the development, what is the progress, how to judge, where we can go, how to decide. Everything should be done by human beings and not by AI. AI is created by us, and AI will never replace us. Okay, people should not think that AI, oh, we have got tremendous. Okay, 1 week back, one new AI method is introduced by which company it is, I think, Gemini. What is the name of the app? It is Nano Banana. Have you all heard about that Nano Banana? Nano Banana.
No,
Huh?
sir.
Yeah. But you all might have heard about Ghibli.
Yes.
Yes. So next to
Yes.
that, now recently it is introduced by Nano Banana. What is, I wanted to have something in that, but network will not support. So you download that Nano Banana and you can straight away go to the Gemini AI. You upload your photo and you can see it in different 3D pictures, standing, in different way, like a hero giving pose in different places. But what is the use? What is the use? In the last 1 week, it has been very popular. It is gaining momentum. Okay. Sometimes it will be misused also. Okay. Let us not go for all those things. Nano banana. You please go and after this session, we can go and type and find out what is nano banana. Nano banana. Okay. Right. So AI should be co-pilot in research and not the pilot. Pilot is BR. Co-pilot is what? The AI tools. So with this background, I am proceeding to next. Friends, I have another few interesting things. Okay. I will put some sentences. A researcher without AI is like a phone without a SIM. Smart looking, but offline. Okay. Understood, sir. Now I will put two sentences. A and B, first one. Then text A, text B. A and B is very general. Text A and text B is purely related to our research. Okay. Now, please go through this A and B. A and B, it is here. Okay. I woke up and the coffee tasted like old textbooks and future deadlines. Sentence B, I had half coffee this morning. Friends, have you all gone through these two sentences, A and B? And anybody has got any doubt in understanding the meaning of this sentence? I should definitely say no. Okay. Now I am asking, which sentence is human written sentence and which sentence in this is AI generated sentence? We are
A
all.
is human, B is AI,
Huh?
sir.
Huh?
A is human, B is AI.
Why?
Why? Because we used to do 400 structured interviews, regression analysis, everything. But I had coffee this morning represents AI because AI will do every work.
Oh, you are saying that A sentence A is written by human.
Yes, yes, sir.
And the reason for that is what?
Because you have given text A that collected through 400 structure interviews and regression analysis. This will be made by human. Whereas in the text B, I had coffee this morning. This represents AI.
Why?
Digital literacy for entrepreneurs.
A can be
Yes.
generated by AI. The send text A can be generated by AI.
Can be also generated by AI. Say somebody, our student has written this sentence A. You should be able to find out whether it is AI generated or there are some tools available. AI tools are available to find out whether it is AI generated or not. Okay, but just a small sentence. When you go through some assignment or a research paper, you should be also able to find out whether it is AI generated or it is written by the student itself. How to judge that? Have you got any clue? Divya was saying something, but list of something she was trying to say, but I couldn't get. And somebody said
What,
that.
what I understood is I woke up and the coffee tasted like old textbook and future deadlines in text A, na. So
Okay.
I thought that it will be like human being because we used to do more work and everything. But AI, na, it will generate. So I had coffee this morning. It is very simple, whereas it will do every work. So I understood in that way.
Okay. So AI means it will not say that the coffee was like old textbook, something like that. It will not. That is why you are
It may
saying that.
be, sir. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it may be, sir.
Maybe. Okay. Somebody was saying something else. Some other participant was trying to say something else. But now I ask one question. I come to this question after the second one. Text A, text B. Now, between these two, which one is AI generated and which one is a human written? This text A, I'm just reading. This study explores the nexus between digital literacy and entrepreneurial success among rural youth. Data were collected through 400 structured interviews, and regression analysis indicates that digital literacy significantly predicts entrepreneurial outcomes. Text B, the paper highlights the importance of digital literacy for entrepreneurs. It shows that digital literacy is very important in achieving business outcomes and is a critical factor for success. Okay. Which one will be the in general human written and which one will be in general prima facie AI generated? Somebody is putting something in the chat. What do you say in the chat? Yeah. Text A is AI generated. Subramanian, very good. Why you are saying that text A is AI generated? Huh? Why text A is AI generated? Please, we have got less time. I need to give some demonstration on Zotero and Mentally. Okay, let us not waste much time in this. Say, the answer is for the first one. The answer is for the first one, as somebody said, A in this sentence, A is human written and B is AI generated. But some other participant was trying to say that both can be AI generated. It is also possible. Prima facie, in general, at the outset, normally text A will be considered as human written because human tendencies like what it will unnecessarily give information at the very first hand itself. Okay, when we ask, did you have coffee? So we will not stop with just yes, I had. Very few people will be confined to their answer like this. Some people will say even yes, but majority will say that no, yeah, I woke up at this time and it was very tasty and it's like reading a book and too many details they will be giving. Majority will be like that. Therefore, we say the unnecessarily details are added. That is why do not add too much of information. Okay, when it is not required, when it is not appropriate time to give. So text be just very brief. I had coffee this morning. Okay, but another one is both can be okay, both can be AI generated. To make this one AI generator, you have to be very careful with regard to what. So when you want to use the AI properly, okay. Here also text A, Subramanian, I'm sorry, text A is based on the interpretation I give. Okay, based on the information just now I gave for sentence A and B. Now you tell me which one among these two is AI generated and human written. Text A or text B? Subramani? A. Yeah. A is what? A is what? Again, you are saying AI generated. Okay. So too many information in the first sentence itself will be given by whom? Human. Okay, so text A is human likely. The correct answer is what? No, human likely. Text B is AI generated. Sure. text A is human likely. Mostly it would have been written by a human. So that is why we say that text A is all these are based on what, sir? All these are based on what? I go to next one. Text A, last one, to find out whether it is generated by AA or human written. According to Smith, 2019, strategic agility is a dynamic capability that enables phones to respond. Text B, research shows that agility. Now, based on the interpretation I gave for previous two types of sentences, now you will be able to find out which is human likely and AI generated. Come on. Somebody given the answer. No. AI generated is what? Yeah. Subramanian, why you are not talking? Subramanian, you are interacting through chat message. B should be IA generated. AI generated. Yes, very good. B should be, so based on the interpretation I gave for previous two types of sentences. So text A, most likely it is human because too many information they are given. Text B, prima facie.
That is what I said, sir.
What did you say?
A is human generated and B is AI.
Yeah, correct. You only say it, right. Say, if you want to have more and more information to be added in the sentences, you should do what? So AI is an assistant, virtual assistant, available 24/7. It is an virtual assistant, friend, buddy, available 24/7. So we have to get the work done by done from that AI. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to get the work done through AI. For that, we have to do one important one. What is that? What is that? What is that? Have you got my question? Have you got my question?
Sir, can you repeat once, please?
Say, to find out whether it is human written or AI generated, I gave some interpretation. Based on that information, you judged and found out which is human likely and AI generated. Okay. One interpretation is what? AI will not give information more in the first hand itself. Okay. To get whatever information, to get more information, to get more and more information added, okay, we have to make use of that virtual assistant effectively. To get the work done by AI and get the work done effectively by us, by a human, we have to do one important work. What is that? Have you got?
Yes, sir. We have to analyze first, sir, because our intuition will be correct always. So we have to analyze and we have to do many experiments so that we'll get correct answers. Instead of going with the AI, humans
Get the
can
correct answer. Dr. Divya, to get the correct answers, we need to do one important thing. What is that?
we need to do analyze and experiment, sir.
Sir, prompting.
Exactly.
Yes,
So, Babida, good. So, prompting. So, this is what we have to do. But prompting, it will not do. See, I have opened the ChatGPT, I have opened the Perplexity, I have opened the Copilot, I have opened the Gemini. What it will do? Unless we ask them to do something. To do something, we have to do something. What is that something? Prompting. Prompting is what? A piece of input given to AI. Whatever information you want to get from that AI, your prompting should be in such a way that you will get most of the informations added. And mostly it will be correct. Sometimes it may be wrong also. The AI is sometimes false also. We cannot fully depend on. That is why I said that it is co-pilot or not pilot. Brain is ours. Okay. Through microscope. Microscope is what? AI. Please take it very seriously. Do not think about depending upon AI completely. If we think about depending upon AI completely, we are completely finished. Okay. Suppose I want to do a PhD. Okay. Topic, if you give me the topic, it will give from the introduction to reference. Completely it will give. Can we submit that PhD? Come on, tell me. Can we submit it? It will be full.
Sir.
It will be fully considered as what AI generated. It will be rejected. In the plagiarism report,
It will be plagiarized content.
In the plagiarism, it will be, and some people will think intelligently, I will use the humanizer software. Okay, humanizer software. In that case, it will help you to escape from, I agree, it will help you to escape from plagiarism. You will get a degree. You will, but your content is what? It's not original. It is fully created by somebody. We have to be original. You will not get that satisfaction. What you have learned, you have got a degree. But what you have done, it is something like what? No, asking your friend to do the PhD work and submitting that work and get the degree. Here, there your friend, it is actual friend, here virtual friend. That's all. That is the only difference. Using humanized software, it is possible. But what is the use? What you are learning? Are you learning? Now here, you are all here, you are all attending this program to learn something. Okay. But when you want to completely depend upon AI, you are completely out. That's all. I go to next one. Okay, rejection letters. So please do not bother about the rejection. I give you some motivating letters for it. A rejected paper is not a failure. It's a draft with a free export comments. Okay. So when you are getting a rejection letter for your research paper, do not worry. You are getting some information, comments on your paper. It is the first step towards what? Going to next step. So you think in this way, rejection is not the end. It is saying level up. You are going to next level. And behind every accepted paper is a pile of rejected ones. Okay. It's a pile of rejected ones. And the last one, do not bother about the rejection letters, rejection mails that you are getting from the journals, editors, authors, reviewers. You treat it like what? Love letters. Okay. It may be very emotional, painful, but proof that somebody paid attention for your paper. Okay. So do not bother about the rejection. Paper pot. Now I am going to show you because we have got less number of time. I will come to this another AI tool. Let me go to the first search engines. Have you heard about the search engine? I go to that. Are you all able to see this screen? Semantic Scholar. Hello, friends.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good.
Yes,
How
sir.
many of you heard about this particular search engine? It is called a search engine. Like Google Scholar, it is a search engine. It is fully powered by AI techniques. You see that a free AI powered research tool for scientific literature. Okay. Now, how to do this? How many of you know about this particular AI tool already? Has anybody used this search engine already? Somebody, please talk to me.
So I
Orally.
heard, but I didn't use this, sir, earlier.
Okay, very good. Divya and Babida, Subramani through chat message. And what about others? Are they here or not? Okay, I will complete my responsibility. Okay, Divya, can you tell me any topic we will find out? You are from which discipline? Engineering, yeah?
From ECE, sir. Yes, engineering.
Tell me some topic on which you want to get some papers.
Image processing, sir.
Very good. It is too general. Can you make it a little specific?
Edge deduction.
Huh?
Edge deduction.
No, again, it is general. Say the impact of the disadvantage of the merits of something like that. You see here, image processing and quality control for the first something like that.
Yes. For satellite images, sir.
Satellite image, again, it is very general. You see, you are not able to go for a specific. So you are in the very, very outer circle. Okay. The very, very outer circle. You will not come to the, yeah. In that satellite image, what is your area of research? Okay. It's a very, very broad area. Satellite image. Okay. Anything else? But it is giving something satellite based, satellite imagery in the study and forecast malaria. Shall we go for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm clicking this, but 2010, it is very old. Satellite, that is what.
Paper, sir.
Yeah.
Or else you can go for wireless communication antennas. It will be very new.
No, but in that
Or
what?
IoT.
Wireless communication. Then. Okay, again 96, 19, we have some papers.
5G communication, sir. If you type 5G communication, you'll get recent papers.
5G, yeah.
Or else you can go for deep learning based paper, sir.
Which one, Professor? Which one?
We can go for the deep learning based papers.
Neuromorphic system papers.
Deep learning.
Neuromorphic. Neuromorphic.
Mafia. Spelling?
N-U-N-E-U-R.
N-G-U-R-O. I got put neuro.
Neuromorphic. Morphic. M-O-R.
M-O-R.
Yeah, sir. M-O-R. P-H-I-C.
Morphic. Am I correct?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Now I'm going for search. Good. You see here, friends, we got 23 latest, all those things. Now, before that, what do we have to do now? You have to, have you heard about Zotero software? Zotero?
Yes, sir. We have the Jotero and Mendeley is also good, sir.
Mendeley also. You know how to use it.
Yes, sir. I'm very perfectly with the Mendeley. I'm little bit new to the Jotero.
So shall we go for Zotero now?
Yes, sir. You can.
Okay, very good. Now, anybody says that I'm very I know Zotero very well, and I know this semantic scholar also very well. If you tell me whatever you have learned, whatever you know, I can go after that stage. Okay. Otherwise, I will go from the beginning. Shall we go from the beginning, or what do you say? Hello?
Yes, sir. You can go for beginning because most of the participants are not aware of these type of things.
Very, very good. Right. This is what I want to know, because I if I take any class, okay, something it should be useful. This is what my own for my own satisfaction, especially for faculty. Okay, you should after this class you should say something useful. So far I have got something general. Okay, and the game how I made it, I'm going to tell you at the end. Okay, now we have got some papers. You see so many papers on this. Now Zotero. Before that, what we have to do? I have downloaded already Zotero. Okay, and I have opened it also. Now, where is that screen? Yeah. Now, so this paper, okay, Now you want to see this paper and add it in your library. Okay, I have clicked it. Which paper you want to add in your library, it will be. It takes some time to load. Actually, the net is slow here. Just now it has become slow. I'm getting one message. It takes this much of time. Yeah, I got it. Okay, now you see here, I want to add it in my Zotero. So what we can do it, I'm going for here, you see here extension. Here you see that Zotero connector. Okay, I'm clicking it. Now it is added with my library. Okay, now it is added in my library. Now I'm opening Zotero. You see here, this paper is added. Achieving, this is the paper, no? We clicked. You see, achieving green AA with energy efficient deep learning using neuromorphic computing. So I have added with my library. Okay. Now, if you want to, and all other details is coming here. Okay. What are the other details about this paper that we can okay. Say title, author, okay, author, how many authors are there? Then volume 67, which year it is published. Then library catalog, data order and abstract, okay, and other related things. And if you want to have the full text, if you click it, we will get the full text. Okay. So now I have got so many papers already added in my Zotero. Right. Now, what is the another specific advantage of this Zotero? Okay. Now I am opening one word. I am opening a new word. Okay. Now I am copying some sentences from. Okay. Right. Are you all able to see this is a word? Okay. So this I have started writing the papers. Okay. I have started writing the papers. Now, once you have opened the Zotero downloader, what will know? In the word itself, in the menu, it will be there. Okay. You see, you are able to see this Zotero. Once you have downloaded, in the word, it will be coming automatically. Okay. Now you click it. Now you keep the cursor here. Here you want to add the reference. Okay. For the sentence you have written, you want to give the reference. Okay. How to do it? Zotero, click it. Add, edit citation. You see here which type of citation you want to have, whether American Psychological Association or Chicago or American Clinic, Chemical Society or IEEE. We will go for IEEE. Okay. Click it. Okay. Now this paper has come. Okay. Achieving. Now it has come, citation. Okay. Now this paper will be automatically cited. Excuse me. Huh? Are you clear how to add the citation for your paper? Okay. So you have to click add elite bibliography. And if you just do it, page open in my library, it has come. If you just click it, okay. And Joe's and ATAL, everything, whatever it is, it will come there. And you need not go for every time do this citation work. So this citation will be referred automatically the AT all. 2003, something like that. That's all. The matter is over. And the details will be added at the end of the paper. Reference full details. This is the use of Zotero. In the Zotero, what we do now, what is the specific advantage we get? We go to Semantic Scholar or any search engine AI tools. Okay, you go to that particular one. Now I show you another one. This is a Semantic Scholar. I show you another one, which is from, say, for example, what is the most another very famous software database? So I'm opening Science Direct. Okay. Are you able to see this Science Direct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Science Direct, our institute has subscribed them. Therefore, I'm going through that. Okay. Already I opened it. Yeah, here it is there. You see, I opened it here. I opened that. Now, once you open this paper, here it will be there. Add to Mendeley. Or now we need to go for the Zotero now. So I'm closing this. You come here, click it. You see here, Zotero connector. If you just click it, it is added. Okay. Now we can check it. Now, what is the paper impact of RC cap? We can check it whether it is added in our library. I'm opening now. The error is already opened somewhere here. Yeah. You see here, just now I added the impact of COVID-19. This, it has come. Okay. Now, if you just double click, that full paper will be coming. And whatever the research papers you have added in the library, okay, you can, whenever you want to open, you can open it at any time. You can open it at any time. That is the purpose of Zotero. I'm sorry, I closed Zotero, and now I open it. So now I am closed the opening it again. Okay. When you open after 2 days, 3 days, or whatever number of days, so 1 month back I used Zotero. After a month, I'm opening today only. So whatever papers I added, it will be in my account as it is. It will not go. It is a very important information about Zotero is what? It is a free software. It is a free software. We need not pay anything for it. For monthly, we have to subscribe. Okay. If your institute has given the subscription, we can make use of monthly. But for Zotero, it is totally free. Right. I go for
Professor,
one more.
but
yeah.
yes, so sorry for the disturbance. So, Professor, but in Zotero also, if the paper is in subscription mode, we cannot open as a
Paper, we can add, say, details, PDF,
yeah,
you
we
cannot
can
download.
add.
PDF, you cannot
Yeah.
download. Yeah. But this
But
list
it is
you
also
can.
the same thing is in Mendeley, sir.
Mentally, also
Actually,
we
I
can
want to
add.
know.
Yeah. See, in
Yes,
the
sir.
mentally, 1 second. In the mentally, if it is subscribed, you can download PDF papers.
No, sir. If it is not subscribed, let us say, because most of the institutions are not providing any type of subscriptions, but they are forcing the faculty members to do the research.
Okay.
Yeah, at that time, that means I'm using the Mendeley from last 5 years. So I can add the papers and I can use them in the reference sections as you mentioned in the Jotiro. But we fail to open the complete PDF until unless it is open access.
We say when it is subscribed, we can
Yeah.
see the PDF.
Exactly, sir.
Yeah, when it is not subscribed, you cannot. It is a journal. Okay.
Yes,
But
sir.
with regard to using Zotero, it is free. But if you want to open that paper in
Yes,
PDF
sir.
version, that paper journal should have been subscribed.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. I want to wrap up this session by giving you another very important one. Okay, it is called a very important useful tool. I'm going for that. Okay. Have you heard about this particular app? Consensus. Consensus. In the semantic, we can reduce the thing, but in the case of consensus, we can get some papers from the semantic, and we can get some papers from the ChatGPT or Perplexity. By getting that, we can go for specific literature survey, specific questions, specific answer. To get such a kind of things, we can make use of this particular AI tool. Okay. This, to some extent, it allows free. Okay. Beyond certain extent, it will ask to pay. But till certain things we can. We will go for the same thing. What is the title you gave for the semantic scholar search? We will go for the same title. Tell me the title. Hello?
I think deep learning based neuromorphic something, sir.
Yes, deep learning.
Based.
Deep learning based.
Neuromorphic.
Neuromorphic. M-O-R-P-H-I. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly, sir.
Yeah. See here, you see here, in this paper, in this one, it will give some the brief about that particular topic which you typed. Okay, this is the advantage. You will get some idea. Neuromorphic architecture, deep learning integration, training methods, and biological classical learning. We have not asked, okay, but it gives automatically. That is why it is somewhat better than the other AI tools. Okay, and it gives about the literature survey also. Achieving green energy with energy, focus, energy efficient deep learning, insight, hardware use, everything it will give. Okay. And if you want, whichever I want to have the more details about this, you can click it and add it in your things.
Whether
Okay.
it is free tool, sir?
It is, I told you no, just now. We can go to some extent free. After certain stage, it will ask you to pay money. Okay. But when you come to that stage, you can switch out to another AI tool. For example, size space, you can use it. Have you heard about size space?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I tell you.
In SciSpace, we can compare n number of papers with n number of features, sir.
Okay. So I just you see here. This is another AI tool. Okay. Yeah. You see here, this is size summary. This one you can use it for 10 to 15 papers. You can analyze completely. Okay, you can ask for literature survey. You can ask for methodology used by this particular paper. You can ask for key results. You can ask for even explanation for the algorithm. You can ask for even any detail. Okay, any detail. It will give the step-by-step details like this. If you go for a hands-on session, we don't have time. That is why I told you we cannot have hands-on session. Another one site, please note it. This is size summary. Another one very famous one is size space. SPACE. Yeah, something went wrong. Yeah, you see here. Here you can type whatever you want. Okay. Now I have used this particular site for many times. Therefore, it asks me to upgrade it. But you can log in through our Gmail account, so you can use it for some time, and it is most of the time it is free. Okay. When it will be asking beyond certain states. Okay. So you can ask for write a report, review literature, analyze data, find grants, extract data, review my writing, review, all these things we can make use of this from this particular site. Got it? Right. Coming back to our other AI tools, it's time. Next section, PaperPal. PaperPal is assisting. I just stop with this. Okay, we will go for the PaperPal. So I'm logging through my Gmail account. Right. Right. Now I'm uploading some paper. Okay. Import document. I'm just you can get it from one Word document. You please upload paper for assignment. No. Okay. Word in the reports coming. Abstract with introduction. I'm just okay. Start now. I uploaded this paper. Okay. The net is a little bit slow now. Online, you can wait for it to become responsive to exit. Please wait. Slowly. Hello. Yes. Yeah. After this, I will wrap up. Okay. Okay. So I'm getting a call from the organizers. Shall we extend it? Yeah. Heritage. I don't know why it is, and this site is very slow. I go for another one. Inago. Okay, it is for writing assistance. Again, it is also, I have used many times, therefore it also asks for
Professor, we can go for Jenny A also.
Jenny A.
Yeah, that's
I
also
think
the same.
that one also, I think I have used enough. Anyhow, let me see whether it allows me to do it. Morning I used this, now it says short writing, it's free. After 7:30, it has become very slow net. Yeah. Customize your journey experience, lecturer, testing proportional text. Yeah. New document. I am uploading. Slow documents. Yeah. I'm just uploading one. Yeah. Successfully uploaded. Minutes of the meeting open. Yeah. It's slow. Takes a lot of time. Next session is there. Okay, once this paper is uploaded, So we can correct the language, everything automatically by the help of AI. Okay. Right. It takes time. Coming back to the very first question with regard to ice breaking. What do you think about the assessment done? How I would have done that assessment? Anybody has got any guess? With that, we will wind up our session. Anybody? Are you?
Whether you used any AI tool, sir?
Yes, I used AI tools. What one? I used 3. Okay, ChatGPT,
NotaLM.
Perplexity, Borium. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Borium. Yeah, it is uploaded now. Okay. Now, whatever corrections, since it is a PDF, if it is any problem, it will say copy and cite. And if it is here, if you want copy and cite, quote inside, everything we can do it with the help of GenAI. So it is also done. Now, how I got that this is a writing assistant that I'm making use of with this GenAI, and also I'm getting the code. And with regard to that game, okay, ice breaking game, how I am able to get the assessment of the people, and mostly you are all saying that it matched. How I would have done it with the help of AI. Mainly, which one what technique I would have used so that I would have got the assessment done by the AI about the people who use these kinds of patterns correctly. Mostly. I won't say that it is 10%. In the result itself, AI will say that, yes, this much of advantage we have. What is the main technique that we have to use to get the correct information from the AI tools? Anybody has got any guess? Anybody?
Sir, can we say that whatever AI gives is correct?
You are saying that it is you said that it is correct, no? It matched your personality, no?
But matches, sir. But that is what I said. If we see individually everything, it seems like that everything is correct for us.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, it matched. No, I didn't ask if it does not match. They have said that no, sir. It is something different. My personality is something different. It may be superficial. It may be something very common thing, but something 3 or 4 things which match the individual's personality. No, how? Say, I won't say that it will be always correct. Somehow you got it, and you said yes. Majority said yes. Now I am saying how I got it. Very simple. What will be that? It is, I got another, I'm getting another call from the organizers. I have to wind up. So it is nothing but prompting. So how we are giving the work to the AI. Yeah. Prompting. Okay. Only through prompt. Hello? Only through prompting. Okay, friends. I hope you got some information about the AI tool used for, but I have not touched anything about data analysis. I wanted to say something about the R and Python, but time won't be sufficient, which I thought earlier also. Anyhow, okay, any doubt you'd like to ask?
It was nice session, sir. Thank you.
So from my side, I
Thank
have
you.
one
Then,
query, sir.
please.
Yes, sir. We can use
May
n
I know
number of
the
AI
name of
tools.
Mohan?
Yes, sir. This is actually Mohan Mahanti
Manan?
from Vignan. Mohan Mahanti.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can use n number of tools like
Yeah,
GenAI,
Mohan,
TensorFlow,
please.
Yes, sir. Mr. Venkatrao, Dr. Venkatrao Shalamuri, can you mute? Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Can I
Mohan
continue?
Maheti, say when we use, yeah,
Actually, some disturbance is going on at Dr. Venkatrao Shalamuri ends. Organizer, can you mute Dr. Venkatrao Shalamuri? Yeah, thank you.
Banu ma'am,
So,
you're asked to Mute the person, please.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
I
ma'am,
already
come.
muted, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Sir, actually, we can use n number of tools like Genie, Paperpal, Perplexity, or any other tools. But when you are going to check with the Turnitin, definitely it is going to cut by AI detection tools. Somewhere we can use the paraphrasing or
Yes.
rephrasing tools previously, but Turnitin recently added one more update to its engine that the rephrased or paraphrased text also going to be detected as a AI plugin. So, as a senior faculty member, what you can you suggest for this?
What do you think? What's your question? Hello?
Need to
You are,
repeat my question, sir.
yeah. I have not heard the final one which you asked.
Okay. Sir, actually, we can use a n number of AI tools like GenAI, Paperpal, or Perplexity, or
Yeah.
Claude AI, anything. But finally, if
Yes.
we keep such text directly in my research paper, definitely it is going to be caught by the Turnitin AI plugin.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
And somewhere previously, some researchers are saying that, okay, you can take the AI generated text and apply paraphrasing by another AI tools like Humanize AI or Quillbot AI, like some tools, and you can keep the text in the research paper. Then it is going to be not caught by the AI detection tool. But
that's
recently,
why,
yes, sir, not yet completed. But recently, Turnitin also Turnitin also updated its engine in such a way that the rephrased text also going to be detected as a AI plug.
yes.
Yeah. So now, what is the best final solution? We have to write by own or getting the help
Yes.
from the AI only.
Okay. I tell you one thing. Yeah, if
So,
you have to get the help from the AI.
exactly.
Original, it should be ours. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
whatever sentence you are writing on research paper, don't bother about the mistakes. Don't bother about the construction of the sentences. It may have lot of mistakes. Don't bother. Okay, you write that sentence with n number of mistakes. Let it be, but a lot of mistakes, but it is your original. For that, you go for rephrasing. Okay, there are less percentage of chances caught as AI generated from original to AI. Okay, from original to AI. If you ask AI itself to originally create, then it will be entirely caught as AI generated. You get my point?
Yes, sir.
See, original, initial, creativeness, starting point should be ours. Okay, we have to write.
Yes,
For
sir.
example, we give a data and the analysis over, we get the table. We can simply feed the table into AI and ask it to interpret. It will give the interpretation itself. That is also possible. But the entire interpretation will be caught as what? No, AI generated. What I
Yes,
am
sir.
saying here,
Sir.
after getting the research, you write the interpretation on your own. We need not bother about the mistakes. But the interpretation originally written by us. Okay. For that, we can get it corrected by AI. In that case, the AI generated percentage caught will be very less.
Yes, sir. Till now, I
For
followed the
original
same
to
structure as what
paraphrase.
you mentioned, sir. Till now, I followed the same type of actions or same type of process what you mentioned. But nowadays, when I'm going to apply the paraphrasing after the original content, what is written by me, now it is cut by Turnitin
No,
AI plug.
not.
The new
After,
engine is updated, sir. Before
no,
4 days only.
after the entire paper is written, you give it in AI detection, put it in Turnitin to show what are all AI generated. Again, you go for rephrasing those sentences as written by us. Okay,
Okay.
rephrase it. Then you go for it. It will definitely say no AI generated. We
Yes,
have
sir.
to do our work. We have
Yeah,
to do.
exactly. My point is saying. So the rephrasing is must done by us. then only it is not going to be caught by AI.
Yes, yes, it will give some
Again,
help.
if we are using the AI tools for rephrasing, definitely it is going to cut by AI.
No. That is why I'm saying if we are completely depending upon
Yes, sir,
AI,
yes,
we
sir.
are out.
No, a few of the members are pointing that only. So rephrasing by AI, rephrasing ourselves. That is a
Originally
misquotation.
written, go for rephrasing. It shows some percentage of AI generation. It will give all sentences which are all AI generated. Again, you go for rephrasing by yourself. Go for AI detection. The percentage will reduce. Again, it will show some percentage of content written generated by AI. Again, you go for your own, correct it. Then it will
Yes, sir.
come down.
Yes,
So
sir.
without knowing English, without knowing how to write, without creating on our own, if you are completely depending upon AI, we are completely out. This is why I put it in the very first few slides.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. That is the point.
Yes. So it is an assistant. It is a helper, virtual assistant. If you are complete, so I told you, no, entire thesis we can generate through AI. But
Yes,
what
sir.
is the use? You tell me. What is the use? And for this particular topic, deep learning based image morphic, whatever it is, you give me a paper. It will give paper with all references, everything. Can we submit that paper?
Yes, sir.
Will anybody have satisfaction in that? Will he be a good teacher? Will he be a good student? Will he be a good scholar? That's all. So AI is what? No. We have to switch on. The light will be on. Switching on should be done by whom? Us. Okay. Light will be automatically coming up. Okay. We need not bother about the process, how it is coming light, but switching on. So originally it should be done by us. Okay. So we ask, it is a machine, that's all. So we should know how to make use of that particular machine. Okay. Now autonomous train has come in Madras. Earlier, some few years back itself, Delhi, we have got autonomous train without driver. It is run by a machine. Who made that machine? We made that machine. After that, it runs on its own. People think that no driver is required. Of course, no driver is required. But that machine is made by whom? Us. Okay, we create so many machines through AI. That's all. When
Yes, sir. Thank you.
the algorithm converted into a machine, it becomes what? Artificial intelligence. That's all.
Sir.
AI
Thank
based.
Sir, if the organizers allow me, then I have one more query, if time is permitted.
Yes, go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I am facing a lot of difficulty in the literature survey for getting the good papers, maybe, which are not available in Science Direct or Semantic Scholar, not in open access. So, what is the best way you suggest, sir?
Very simple. You have to
Actually,
contact some people.
we are using the, sir.
You need to enlarge your network. You need to have friends in IIT, NIT, or any other institutions where those institutions have prescribed.
Then
See,
I
earlier,
first,
when we didn't have the access for some good journals, what we did know, we will contact our friends in abroad. Hey, please
yes,
download these papers and send it to us. They will download and send it to us.
then I add you to my network first, sir.
Yeah, that is the only way.
Sir, thank you so
Earlier
much.
we had Skype we had and so many other ways. Now
Yes,
they
sir.
all
Yes, sir.
stopped because of some
Yes, sir. Now
legal.
they are not at all working.
Yeah. That's why I'm saying if it is very difficult if you're not subscribed to paper.
Yes, sir. Most of the times we are facing the problems with the conference type of papers.
Have to get some friends and through those friends we have to get the papers. That's all.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Mohan Mahanti. So I think no other questions. We will wind up. Thank you very much for being with me. I think you got some information, some good information. That's all. I won't say that you got complete information. Here and there, I put some information. I think it will be useful for you. Beyond this, you have to many things. Even in the semantic scholar, also, there are so many informations which I would not give it everything in this session itself. Anyhow, thank you very much for the organizers for giving me such opportunity. And I wish all the participants good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, sir,
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
for your
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
inspiring address today with us. On behalf of organizers and all the participants, we are truly grateful for the time and knowledge you shared with us today, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your wonderful speech today, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
And I should special thank Dr. Uma Mageshwari. She is very good in coordination. At the appropriate time, she used to remind me about the sessions, about the topic, about the. Okay. Thank you, Uma Mageshwari. Your coordination is very good. Keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Shall I leave now?
Yes, sir. After the program, I will contact you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request the participants to stay in the line for session 2. Our guest is joining in session 2. I request all the participants to stay in the line for session 2. Feedback link will be posted in the chat box. Please wait for session 2. Our guest is joined in the link. You are asked to wait. We are going to start session 2 now.